Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0686 indicates a problem within the air-fuel ratio AF sensor heater power source circuit on the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. Specifically, this code suggests that there is a short to ground in the circuit that supplies power to the heater of the AF sensor. This sensor plays a crucial role in regulating the air-fuel mixture, ensuring optimal combustion in the engine. The AF sensor is typically mounted in the exhaust stream before the catalytic converter, where it can measure the air-fuel ratio accurately. When the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, detects an abnormality in the circuit, it stores this DTC, signaling a need for immediate attention to avoid performance issues and potential damage to the engine. The error code P0686 relates directly to the AF Sensor 1's heater function, which is vital for the sensor to operate correctly. This sensor, often located in the exhaust stream, provides critical information to the engine control unit regarding the air-fuel mixture being used for combustion. It consists of a heater element that helps it reach optimal operating temperatures quickly, ensuring accurate readings and efficient engine management. The PCM, responsible for regulating the engine's performance, continuously monitors the sensor's function. If it identifies a short to ground in the heater power supply circuit, it registers this issue as a DTC, affecting overall engine performance and efficiency. The components that come into play include the AF sensor, the PCM, and associated wiring, all of which need thorough inspection during diagnostic procedures. Several factors may contribute to the appearance of DTC P0686. Firstly, the AF sensor itself may fail, leading to improper heating or circuit anomalies. Secondly, wiring issues such as frayed cables or loose connections could cause a short circuit or interrupted signals to the PCM. A malfunction within the PCM cannot be ruled out, especially when other tests yield normal results, indicating that it might not be processing signals correctly. Additionally, a direct short circuit in the wiring that connects the sensor to the PCM could create faults in the current flow, leading to this diagnostic trouble code. Each potential cause must be meticulously evaluated to determine the root issue, ensuring effective repairs. When DTC P0686 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's operation. A primary indication is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to an engine management problem. Poor fuel efficiency often accompanies this code due to incorrect air-fuel mixtures from the faulty sensor readings. Additionally, drivers may notice a rough engine idle, resulting from improper combustion processes caused by inaccurate sensor feedback. Excessive emissions may also result, leading to potential environmental concerns and failing emissions tests. It is crucial to address these symptoms promptly to maintain vehicle performance and adhere to environmental regulations. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0686 involves starting the engine to establish current operational conditions and immediately checking whether the DTC is active. The importance of this initial step lies in verifying if the DTC persists or disappears under normal running conditions. If the DTC is confirmed, further inspections must be conducted based on diagnostic protocols. This includes checking related components such as the PGM-FI subrelay and ensuring proper connectivity within the system. This foundational step sets the stage for more detailed diagnostics, providing essential insights into the health of the AF sensor and associated circuits. In the second step of troubleshooting, you need to test the PGM-FI sub-relay for proper functionality. This relay is critical for powering various engine management components, including the AFF sensor heater. Subsequently, conducting an IGPS LAF circuit inspection is vital to ensure that power is being supplied correctly to the sensor. This circuit is essential for the sensor's operating voltage, and any interruptions can lead to erroneous readings or sensor failure. Finally, an inspection of the AFHT wiring is warranted, as this wire connects the AFF sensor to the control system. Any damage or shorts in this wire can result in the symptoms described by the DTC. The third troubleshooting step involves a detailed PCM inspection. If the previous checks show normal conditions, it's crucial to ensure the PCM itself is not the source of the DTC. The PCM is the brain of the vehicle's engine management system, and any faults here can lead to incorrect interpretations of the sensor data. Confirming that the power supply to the PCM, as well as signal integrity from the AF sensor, is vital for establishing proper communication within the system. If irregularities are detected in voltage supply or signal processing, it is likely that the PCM needs attention or replacement, addressing critical issues that would otherwise go unresolved. Once repairs have been performed in response to DTC P0686, the final verification step is crucial to confirm successful resolution of the issue. Begin by clearing the DTC using a diagnostic scan tool, which resets the vehicle's internal monitoring systems. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle is necessary to ensure that all systems, including engine performance and sensor functions, are operating correctly without triggering the DTC again. Monitoring for any recurrence of the DTC during and after the drive will help verify that the issue has been resolved effectively. This step is essential, not only for confirming the repair, but also for ensuring long-term vehicle reliability. To prevent issues related to DTC P0686 in the future, regular maintenance and inspection of electrical components are essential. Regularly inspecting the wiring connected to the A4 sensor, including checking for frays, corrosion, or loose connections, can help prevent shorts that trigger this DTC. Additionally, routinely checking the functionality of the A4 sensor can help detect issues before they escalate into serious problems. Keeping the PCM software updated is also vital, as manufacturers regularly release updates to improve functionality and address known issues. Adopting these preventive measures can contribute to the overall longevity and reliability of your vehicle's engine management system. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0686's implications is crucial for proper vehicle maintenance and performance. This code not only indicates a circuit short to ground affecting the AF sensor heater, but also signifies potential impacts on engine efficiency and emissions. By following diagnostic procedures and inspecting related components, such as the PGM-FI subrelay and PCM, you can effectively identify and resolve underlying issues. Furthermore, establishing a regular maintenance routine helps prevent future occurrences of similar codes, promoting a healthier engine management system overall. Keeping abreast of best practices in vehicle care ensures that your Honda Civic runs efficiently and reliably. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.